Hello, I am Nahida and welcome to Enovin Foods. Today we are going to make a wholesome and delicious treat. Jaggery Banana Cake. It's naturally sweet, soft and packed with traditional goodness. Let's get started. In a pan, heat 1 tablespoon ghee. Add 1 tablespoon almond, 1 tablespoon pistachio and 1 tablespoon cashew nuts. Then add 3 tablespoon grated coconut and 3 tablespoon flattened rice or poha. Roast for just 30 seconds until fragrant. Add 2 chopped bananas and cook for 1 minute. Let it cool completely before mixing into the batter. Now in a bowl, take 1 cup flour, 2 tablespoons suji or semolina, half cup jaggery melted in half cup water. Jaggery is one of the oldest sweeteners used in Indian cooking. Banana cake is a popular dessert in South Asia with many regional twists. Now add half cup water gradually. Mix well. Now add 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda and half teaspoon cardamom powder. Give it a good mix. Add the roasted banana mixture into the batter. Always cool the banana mixture before adding to the batter. Flattened rice adds a light, airy texture to traditional steam cake. This recipe is completely eggless and perfect for festive occasion. Grease a 6-inch mold with oil and pour the batter in. Grease the mold properly to avoid sticking. Cover with foil. Boil some water in a large pan and steam the cake for 35 to 40 minutes. Steaming instead of baking keeps the cake moist and oil-free. And just like that, your warm, fluffy jaggery banana cake is ready to enjoy. Steam on medium-low heat to avoid cracks in the cake. If using a pressure cooker, remove the whistle while steaming. Jaggery is rich in iron and great for digestion. Bananas are packed with potassium and energy. Using semolina boosts texture and adds fiber. Would you love this as a tea time snack or a healthy dessert? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and follow Enovin Foods for more soulful homemade recipes. Thanks for watching and see you again soon. Keep cooking from the heart.